Okay, this tutorial is for all your clients that are animal lovers out there. Now, when you're searching for listings that allow pets, it's very important that you get all the listings. It's hard enough finding what they want, and then on top of it, pets have to be allowed. So I'm going to show you how to find all the listings, because the way 99% of the people out there are searching, they're not finding them all, and I'll show you why. Okay, I'm just gonna search for, like in Pompano, between 200,000 and 600,000 for some condos, just to show you, as an example. Now, when you're searching for pets allowed, okay, most people will go over to where pets allowed is. They'll put in equal, which is the default, and then they're going to put in yes, pets allowed. Okay, now when you do that, you're going to find 105 matches, but that's not all of them, because if you do this, if you go to not equals and then check off no, which is really you're saying the same thing, okay, you've got 112. Now, how come you have more now than you did before? Well, something's wrong, okay? So what you're going to have to do is put in not equals and then no. All right, that's the only way you're going to get all of them, and let me show you why. This is what's happening. Okay, we're going to go to the results. Okay, now to see what's really happening, I'm going to go to a custom grid. Okay, this is something that I put in so that you can understand what's going on. Okay, now take a look over here. Pets. Okay, now you have yes. You should have yes, no, but look, there's an R here, meaning restricted. Now that means that it could be like 20 pounds, it could be a cat only allowed, but what's happened is not all MLS systems cooperate with each other. So if you look, okay, the R is allowed in Palm Beach. So let me just sort these all into one part. Okay, all these listings here with R's you would have missed if you did it the way everybody else is doing it. All right, so take a look here. All the R's, if you look, the ML number starts with R, which means it's a Palm Beach listing. Well, in Palm Beach, you have three choices. You could say yes, no, or restricted. But in Fort Lauderdale and Miami, you can't. It's only two choices, yes or no, when you're entering that listing. So it means that the two systems aren't compatible. If the realtor is from Palm Beach and they enter a listing with the address that's in Pompano or Fort Lauderdale, like in Broward or Dade County, you're not going to find it if you search the typical way. So all these listings are really not going to show up for people that are looking for pets and they put in a yes. And that's not good, all right? But there's nothing really you can do about it. You could complain, but remember, each MLS system is designed in and of itself. So you're going to have to work around this. This has been this way for many, many years. I've been teaching it for many, many years. And we found that if you go to these particular listings, it's good because they haven't been getting that much traffic, because anyone looking for pets allowed, they're not going to find them unless they search with a Palm Beach MLS system. So remember, when you're searching for pets, don't do it the typical way. You want to go not equals and then no, which is really the same as saying equals yes. Okay, but less matches found. So please keep that in mind when searching for condos. You're going to get them all if you do it the way I show you. Forget this old way. Just go not equals and then no. And then you might just find some very motivated sellers. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for listening.